Thank you. Hi.
Hi JC, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
John F. Kennedy said that we choose to go to the moon not because it's easy, but because it's hard. And when some people ask me, why do you do drone light shows? And it's for that exact reason, because we like a challenge. We like to do something which is beyond the normal. Normal drone operations are fine, but I really like to get involved in tough, big projects which need a lot of attention and require big delivery. And these drone light shows, they are exactly that, and that's why we love doing them. And this show in particular in Kaohsiung in Taiwan was particularly challenging because it was the largest show we'd ever done. We'd never worked with drones over 500 before, so this was 1,000 drones more than we were usually working with. So yeah, it was quite a challenge, but a great feeling to be able to do something like this. So getting there and doing all the planning, laying out all the drones as you see here, it's quite a big job and quite a big responsibility. But yeah, and we will continue doing this. So this is the start of a normal day. So we had been 14 days in quarantine, and then we went straight out to start to get ready. Then we had about, I think we had 10 days or something to get ready. So doing all the test flights, doing all the building of the airfield, and then get ready for the shows as well. The shows were kept a secret, so this was a big festival. It's called Lantern Festival, and we were the highlight of the entire show. Everything had been, everything had been actually programmed, everything was ready, people knew what was going on except this show. So when we done our first show, nobody knew about it, so it was quite a big thing. So here you can see some test flights going up, we're launching all the drones, and then you'll see some calibration tests. And what we're working up to here is we're working up to the rehearsal. And we were trying to get a rehearsal, but the customer didn't want a rehearsal because they didn't want any of the show being put out in public, because they wanted everything to be kept a secret, which is quite challenging. And we managed to talk them into doing that. So you'll see that right at the very end. I'm not going to show the entire show because I'm going to leave that till the next video, but you'll see and you'll hear their reaction. There was only a couple of people there, but they were extremely happy with it. So this is calibration flights, and now you're going to see the airfield from above. This is always something I'm so proud of, that we have a very nice airfield every time. So now you're going to see the rehearsal, a little bit of the beginning. Next we'll have the full show. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. And as always, fly safe.
20 seconds to audio, 20 seconds.
So we are just about to launch the drones for this drone light show here in Taiwan. We're going to be flying here.